Hi guys! In this quick Google Earth tutorial, I am going to show you how to change year on Google Earth by accessing the powerful historical imagery feature within the Google Earth platform. This is a common question, and we'll show you the exact steps. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to access Google Earth. While most people search in Google Maps, the historical view feature is handled by the dedicated Google Earth tool. You'll need to log in using your credentials if this is your first time on Google Earth. Just click on the Create Account option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Why view historical satellite imagery? Now, changing the year allows you to view historical satellite imagery and see how landscapes, cities, and landmarks have evolved over time. This can provide valuable insights into urban development, environmental changes, and natural phenomena. Observing changes in land use, deforestation, and urban expansion, or coastal erosion, over different years can aid in environmental research and awareness. And of course, some individuals like me are simply curious to see how my own neighborhoods or favorite travel destinations look in the past. It can certainly invoke nostalgia and curiosity about changes over time. This Google Earth time travel feature is incredibly useful. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Google Earth website here on my Chrome browser. Once you are here, I need you to go to the search option. Now, from here, just type in any location that you wanted to look into. For example, I'm going to be looking at New York, right? After that, just zoom and maximize the view of this specific location that you wanted to look at. Maybe, let's go for the Liberty State Park. Next, you need to click on Layers. On Layers, just scroll down to the very bottom where it says you can have an option for the time-lapse. You can view a global time-lapse video of the planet from 1984 to today. As you can see, when you click on it, you would have an option to click on that specific location and see what it looks like in different years. Okay, just give it a little bit of, a few minutes to load up. You would also be able to show areas for satellite of the most recent images. You can click on the year bar here to scrub through different years. As you can see, the time-lapse is the one that shows the different changes over years on Google Earth for the specific location that you have chosen. This is the official Google Earth Historical View tool. Of course, this historical imagery can contribute to documenting and preserving cultural heritage sites, especially in areas prone to rapid development or natural disasters. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.